This often overlooked gemstone is a treasure trove of fascinating facts, a savvy shopper's delight, and a vibrant splash of color for any jewelry box. Hi everyone, I'm Sasha Kareva, and on this channel I talk about gemstones. Welcome! Zircon ain't your average gem. It was not born in some fancy gemstone spa. It's crashed onto the scene over 4.4 billion years ago when Earth was just a fiery ball of magma. Talk about a birth party. These little crystals form inside cooling rocks, capturing the planet's early secrets like tiny time capsules. Unlike most gems that crumble under pressure, zircons are a tough cookie. It's harder than steel and chemically chill, meaning it can withstand volcanic eruptions, mountain building madness, and even the slow grind of time. That's why you can find zircon chilling in ancient rock formation, sparkling in sand dunes, and even hiding in meteorites. During the Middle Ages, people believed that zircons gemstones could induce sound sleep, ward off evil, and bring prosperity and wisdom. Blue zircon was popular during Victorian times and frequently adorned English estate jewelry from the 1818s. Zircon with a cloudy or smoky appearance was popular in mourning jewelry. In the 1920s, heat treatment became customary practice to enhance the color of zircon gemstones for jewelry. Zircon has also been used in the decorative ceramics industry. While zircon is a popular gemstone among collectors for its range of colors, consumers seem most enamored with the blue variety and otherwise confused about the history and possibility of this expensive gemstone. Zircon is often confused with cubic zirconia. KZ is one of the best-known man-made diamond simulants. It's the crystalline form of zirconium dioxide. Zircon is naturally occurring mineral, which is zirconium silicate. There are zircons of different colors, so you have option to choose a zircon that speaks to your soul. From fairy orange to cool blue, the possibilities are endless. Consider your personal style and the occasion when selected the perfect hue. Blue is the undisputed king of zircon's colors. The vibrant hue is often enhanced by heat treatment, creating a stable and mesmerizing sapphire-like fire. Look for stones with a deep, even color and strong green flashes for maximum brilliance. This kind of zircon has a trade name, Starlight. Natural green zircons come in earthy tones and vivid emerald shades. Be wary of treatments, as some can create an unnatural overlay yellow-green. The most valuable stones exhibit a bright grassy green with minimal inclusions. Yellow and orange colors. These warm tones offer a cheerful alternative to the blues and greens. Natural yellow zircons are rare, but heat treatment can produce a range of shades, from pale honey to fiery orange. Opt for stones with good clarity and even color distribution. This kind of zircon you can meet in the market with the name hyacinth or jacinth. Red and purple, these regular hues are the rarest and most coveted zircons. Natural red zircon are often brownish, while purple tends to be pale and lavender-like. Heat treatment can deepen these colors, but beware of treatments that create artificial, unnatural shades. Matura diamond, this means colorless zircon, renowned as Matura diamond. Yargon, the colorless pale gray or pale yellow variations of zircon, is known as yargon. When choosing a zircon, consider the intensity of its color. A well-saturated stone will have a richer, more vibrant appearance and command a higher price. The lightness or darkness of the color plays a crucial role. A medium-toned zircon is generally more desirable than a very light or very dark one, offering a balance of brilliance and depth. Let's talk about clarity. Not all inclusions are created equal. Zircon, like any gemstone, can harbor tiny imperfections. Some are mere beauty marks, whispers of nature's artistry, while others can impact brilliance and value. Zircons are relatively free of inclusions, but many untreated zircons have a cloudy or smoky appearance. If it's extreme, it can be a negative factor with buyers. In Victorian times, this smokiness made zircon a popular gem for mourning jewelry. The clarity spectrum is wide: eye clean, minor inclusions, feathery inclusions, and fractures. Eye clean is a holy grail, no visible inclusions to the naked eye, even at close inspection. These zircons possess a flawless fire and command premium prices. Minor inclusions, small, barely noticeable inclusions that require close scrutiny, they may slightly dampen their fire but offer excellent value for those seeking beauty without breaking the bank. Feather inclusions, these wispy lines or cloud-like formations can affect brilliance and transparency. Their severity determines the price drop, with heavily included stones being considered for ornamental purposes rather than fine jewelry. Fractures, cracks or breaks, even microscopic, can compromise zircon's integrity and durability. Avoid this like the plague unless you are looking for a budget craft project. Today, most zircon that is faceted for use in jewelry is free of inclusions that are visible to the eye. Invisible inclusions cause a drop in zircon value. Rarely, zircon might contain long parallel inclusions that create the cat's eye effect when the stone is cut as a cabochon. It's a challenge to cut zircon because the gem is brittle. Cutters usually fashion zircon in the brilliant style to take advantage of its luster and fire. A modification of the brilliant cut, known as the zircon cut, uses 8 extra facets around the gem's lower portion, called the pavilion. This is not seen very often today because of the extra labor cost involved. Zircon can also be found in step cuts, which have rows of parallel facets, and mixed cuts, which are a combination of brilliant and step cut facets. The cut is what makes a zircon truly shine. Zircon fiery brilliance thrives in unique cuts. Let's talk about cutting shapes of zircons. The round brilliant, the classic diamond cut works wonders on zircons, maximizing their brilliance and fire. Look of symmetry, even facets, and good depth to width ratio, ideally between 60–65%. A shallow cut will make the stone look spread out and lose its fire, while a deep cut can make it appear dark. The oval step cut brings out the depth and color of zircon, especially in fancy shades. Opt for a medium depth with a balanced crown and pavilion to ensure both brilliance and color saturation. Beware of overly shallow cuts that can make the stone appear dull, or even deep cuts that can mask its fire. Fancy cuts, don't be afraid to explore. Zircon shines in pearl, emerald, and marquise cuts too. Just remember the same principles: good symmetry, balanced proportions, and a depth that showcases the stone's beauty. Carats measure a gemstone's weight, not size. 1 carat equals 0.2 grams, or about the weight of paperclip. But when it comes to zircon, size and value do play a fascinating tango. The supply of zircon is generally limited, and typical size depends on color. Blue or green stones normally range from 1 carat to 10 carats, and yellows and orange up to around 5 carats. Reds and purples are usually smaller. Carat weight influences price, but it's not the only factor. A 1 carat blue zircon might cost more than 2 carat yellow zircon due to color preference. So focus on finding the perfect balance of size, color, clarity, and cut within your budget. Remember, a smaller, high-quality zircon can outshine a larger, less vibrant one. Don't forget, zircon's beauty extends beyond the carat. Heat treatment can enhance color, while origin, for example, Myanmar zircons, are highly priced, and also impact value. And let's not forget ethical sourcing. Choosing a reputable jeweler who prioritizes responsible mining practice is always a gem move. Smaller size, under half a carat, are surprisingly brilliant, offering incredible fire and dispersion, like rainbow flashes, and have budget-friendly prices around $200 a carat. Think charming accents, delicate earrings, or playful pendants. The sweet spot stones from half a carat to 1 carat. This range finds a perfect balance between size and value. Zircons in this range boast noticeable brilliance, making them ideal for statement pieces like rings or solitaire necklace. Also cost something in between $100–300 a carat. The real treasures are zircons more than 3 carats. Larger zircons are true showstoppers, boasting intense fire and breathtaking color. But be prepared for price tag. There are in the market blue zircons above 7, 10, and even 20 carats. The price can be $500, $1,000 and more. US a carat. But the stone remains quite affordable compared with other competitors. Zircons can be treated and unheated. Here, treatments are used to enhance or modify the color of these gemstones. Blue zircons are always treated and it never affects the price. Zircon is sturdy enough for normal wear and makes for wonderful jewelry. As a ring, it's recommended to place it within a protective setting to prolong the stone's life. Zircon is best used in pendants or earrings, as these are the least exposed to rough handling. Attention, gem enthusiasts! Are you tired of moissanites, icy glare and lab-ground diamonds, ethical murkiness? Do you crave a gemstone that's bursting with brilliance, steeped in history, and surprisingly affordable? Then look no further than Zircon, the dazzling underdog of the gemstones world. So ditch the diamonds and embrace the Zircon revolution. Visit TrueGems today and let us show you the dazzling world of this underappreciated gem. We guarantee you'll live with a zircon that speaks to your soul and sparkles brighter than any diamond you ever seen. Remember, zircon is not just a gemstone, it's an attitude that says, I'm unique, I'm bold, and I sparkle on my own terms.